Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video on how to use Google Sheets. This video will go over some of the more advanced, but still simple, things Google Sheets can do that may allow you to keep information organized as you share it with other people. Here you will see that I have a Google Sheet that I have shared with all of the members of my department. There is going to be a lot of information on this document, but I still want it to be easily accessible and organized so that I do not have to send out 6 different files. The tab option down at the bottom of the page allows me to put multiple sheets in the same document. As you can see, this particular document already has 4 tabs that allows me to have a lot of information, all related to this concept, in one place. In order to create a new tab, you just have to click the plus sign in the bottom left part of your screen. Once the new sheet is created, I can change the name of that tab by clicking on the arrow just to the right of the sheet name. I can also copy a previously created tab by clicking on the arrow to the right of that tab name and then clicking Duplicate. This can be a useful tool if you have already set up a sheet with titles and/or math functions already installed and you simply want to change the data inside the chart. Another slightly advanced tip is the ability to do the same thing to an entire row and column. If I click on the 2 to the left of row 2, it highlights the entire row. Now, any alteration that I make to that row will get copied to every piece of data in that row. This is helpful if we want to, for example, bold everything in the row in order to make it the titles of each row. This can also be done for columns by clicking on the letter at the top of the Google Sheet. Feel free to play around in Google Sheets to see how you can use it to help with your specific educational needs. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by and see me in the math office at any time.